make sure when you're putting together a room that the art and the accessories actually mean something to you. I think that's probably the biggest reason why a room will fall short when you're coming to the finish line. You might have done everything perfectly, but if there's a bunch of stuff in there that doesn't mean anything to you and you just got it because it was on sale, it's never really going to give you that completed feeling and that feeling of joy when you walk into that room. So even if it takes you a little bit longer, even the coffee table books or the items on your built-ins, get those books that mean something to you and that tell your story.
Right, and that's it. You know, your guests, when they come to your home, it's a story for you to tell, so it's really beautiful.